My name is Seabrook, and I am an MPH student in the Department of Health Behavior, and I completed my internship at the Magic City Wellness Center in downtown Birmingham. The Magic City Wellness Center is the first primary care facility in the state of Alabama to offer primary care services to the LGBTQ community as well as their allies. Their primary mission is to offer a safe and affirming place for their individuals to seek medical treatment. Because Birmingham has one of the highest rates of HIV in the state of Alabama, the Magic City Wellness Center recently started the PrEP Initiative. The PrEP Initiative strives to offer pre-exposure prophylaxis, or what is known as PrEP, to any individual at enhanced risk. PrEP, which is 92% effective, is a pill that is taken once a day and helps prevent the transmission of HIV. My primary role as the PrEP navigator was to focus on men who have sex with men, or what is known as MSM. More specifically, my target population was the Black and Hispanic or Latino population, simply because men who have sex with men of color are at a much greater risk. As the PrEP navigator, I also assessed the needs of the patients seeking PrEP services. This included prevention and education services, as well as follow-up services. I also conducted behavioral risk assessments, which identified barriers to their medical care, as well as barriers to their medical adherence. This internship gave me the opportunity to apply all that I've learned in the program to a professional setting. It gave me hands-on experience in health behavior, and it also allowed me to engage with other public health professionals as well as the community.